Let's take a little time and go over the homework questions on exercise 5 on page 27. So we've got, what is this? Week 2, exercise chapter 1, 5. All right, so the first one. Is what is 2 to the third? Two to the third, and we end up with 8. How about 9 squared? 9 squared. 81. What's 10 to the third? Might be able to do that without a calculator, but we'll put it on there anyway. 10 to the third is going to be 1,000. It's a 1 with 3 zeros. Let's try something with a decimal point. Let's go with 8.55 to the third. Now we know that we're going to round, we get this huge number. This is not an exact number, so we're going to go with 3 significant digits, and we have 626.12, and we just need 3 significant digits. The 1 does not round up, so I'm going to just call that 626. What about 9.55? Well, again, we know we've got 3 significant digits, so that's what we'll put our answer in. 9.55 to the third. We get 870.98. 870.98. We need 3 significant digits. The 9 is going to round up. So we've got 871. So it's going to equal about 871. I'm just going to jump down here. Question 19 here. 2.66 to the 6th. 2.66 to the 6th. I've got 354, 233. Again, 3 decimal places. So that's going to be about, 2 doesn't round up, so 354. Let's do something with a negative base here. So I'm going to jump down to question 21. -3 to the third, and we're going to treat this as an exact number. So 3 negative to the third, we get a -27. What about a -4 to the third? Well, 4 negative to the third is going to be a -64. How about -8.01 to the third? -8.01 to the third. 8.01 negative. to the third, and I get 513.92, 513.92. That was negative. We have three significant figures. We notice that the 9 is going to round up. So I have negative 514. You'll notice that every time we have a negative number, we take it to the third. It is still a negative number. Let's square one. Let's do negative 2.34 squared. So 2.34 negative, and we'll square that. 5.45, 5.45, oops, 5.475. Got three significant figures here, so we'll do three significant figures here. This is a 5, so it's going to round up one, make that an 8, so we end up with 5.48. You'll notice this time it's positive. So a negative number with an odd exponent is going to be negative. A negative number with an even exponent is going to be positive. What about doing some negative exponents? About 1 to the negative third. Go 1 to the 3 negative. And that comes out as 1. Let's do another one. Let's do 10 to the negative 2. 10. Point 0, 1. Oh, just for fun, let's do 10 to the negative 3. 10 to the negative 3. 10 to the negative 3. And you may see a pattern develop here. 0.001. 10 to the negative 4. 0.0001. I think you probably see the pattern. Negative 2 gave us 2 places past the decimal. Negative 3 gave us 3 places. Negative 4 gave us 4 places. Let's do a fractional one. 8.55 to the 1/3 power. So 8.55. A couple of different ways to do this. You can take 3, press the 1 over button, which will give you 1/3. I got 2.045, 2.045. We have 3 significant digits here, so we need 3 significant digits there. and that's going to make us 2.05 because this 5 is going to round up. And let's do another one. 84.2, the 1/2. And I come up with 9.176. 9.176. I have 3 significant figures. I need to round this to 3 significant figures, and that's going to give me, that's going to round up 9.18. All right, let's try an application problem here. The volume of a cube of side 35.8 centimeters. 35.8 centimeters. We've got a cube, and we're trying to find the volume of that cube. So the volume of a cube of side 35 centimeters is going to be the length times the width times the height. It's going to be 35.8 centimeters cubed, right? So let's try that. 35.8 centimeters to the third cubed is going to be 45,882.712. 882.712. We have 3 significant figures here, so we need to have 3 significant figures on this side. We can see that the 8's going to round up, so we end up with 45,900 centimeters. So that is the volume of our cube with sides of 35.8 centimeters. How about roots? We could do a root. What is the square root of 25? 25. And I've got the square root on my calculator here. The square root of 25 is 5. What is the cubed root of, let's do 27. So, the cube root of 27. We called this the square root right here of 25. And basically that's the same as the 2 here. The little 2 is just implied when we see the square root. When we see the cube root, you'll always see us write it out. Let's do cube root of 27. All right, so we need 27. Do you remember when we talked before that we mentioned that roots and powers have a relationship? And so we can do 27 to the inverse third. And that is the same as doing the cubed root. And that's how I have to do this on my calculator. All right, good luck on homework. As always, if you need me, get a hold of me. Thank you.